love, peeps. Welcome back to the channel. I've been out for a while, busy working. But anyway, today I'll be doing some braised liver. Alright? So I've got about 3 pounds of liver here, as you can see. So this thing is called a membrane. You have to get this off. You have to get this off the liver. If you don't get this off the liver, it is very tough and very chewy, so you don't eat very good. So you have to get off the membrane, off the liver. Yeah, so that's how you do it. You just catch it and just at a point, and you just get off this membrane. Yeah, get off everything. Yeah. So this is actually local liver. It's not imported. I tend to find, well, in Jamaica, the local one eat a whole lot better. It's much softer than the imported one. So I always try to get the yeah, peeps. So that's how we do it, remember. So just check it out when I'm slicing it up, alright? Yeah, man. Peeps, so the liver there all cut up now. Yeah. So I'll be adding in 2 teaspoons of salt. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of salt. You're about. Adding some black pepper. About a half teaspoon of black pepper, Use the black pepper as how you like it or need it or so forth. Yeah, peeps, so right now I'll be adding in my onions. There's no braised liver without onion, peeps. Yeah, man, onion is a must, Onion is a must. This is what nice it up, peeps, yeah. Just like that. So I did in a whole onion. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, look at that. So now I'll be cutting up my scallion. So no yardman style already. It's a white shy style. And we're just whopping up something right now. This is how we do it. This is how we do it, Yeah, so I'll be adding in my scallion. So actually I have see what, about 6 cloves of garlic, as I tell you all the while. And you have to use a lot of garlic, because garlic is very good for you. Garlic is very good for you, so I like to use a lot of garlic. Yeah, man, and garlic, nice up the food. Make it taste real good. You don't know, say a white chai style, yardman style. Yeah, so I'll be adding in a yellow scotch bonnet. Not all of it, but So we're adding in some scotch bonnet pepper. And also adding a green pepper also. The flavoring. Yeah, man, the green pepper, scotch bonnet pepper give you a nice flavoring. And peeps, like I like a Indian inside of me, like Indian blood, because I like spicy food, I like things kind of peppery. Not everybody, but So, some scallion, some thyme, my bad. I'll be adding in some sweet pepper. Sweet pepper goes very nice with liver. Yeah man, sweet pepper. Green sweet pepper. Goes very nice. Very nice with liquor. Yeah, so that's it right there. Yeah, real nice. So my final ingredient now will be tomato. Yeah, peeps, this is how we do it, you know? Yardman style. Yeah, man, that's how we do it here. And I guarantee you that this food tastes, this is going to taste real good. I guess what? Mr. Wise Choice cooking it. You know, so we know our flavors, you know. We know our flavors, man. Yeah. So this is it. Got that, peeps. Yeah, man, that's the amount of season we use. Alright, some more garlic butter, I put that in, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so that's it, and we just rub that in, peeps. Rub that in. Yeah, look at that. Wow, nice. Full of flavor, peeps. Full of flavor, well seasoned. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is Jamaican liver. So, peeps, check it out when it's cooking. Alright, so I'll be doing some green banana, possibly either some dumpling or roast breadfruit with this. You understand me? But you'll see as we go along. Blessed love. Check me out on when I come back. Yeah, peeps, so I did a little Grace browning for coloring. Yeah, you know. Some coloring and make it look nice and presentable and everything, peeps. Yeah, man. Look at that, peeps. Looking real nice. Real nice. So as I said before, peeps, check it out when it's in the pot, cooking down. Alright? Yeah, man. Check my back. Yeah, peeps. See it here now. Fully soaked, fully marinated. So they marinate overnight. So I'm going to be putting this in the pot now. Like that, peeps. Looking good. I'll tell you before, this is local liver, not imported. When you cook the stool on. The longer you cook liver, the harder it become. So peeps, check it out when it's finished, alright? Yeah man, blessed. Yeah peeps, all finished. Look at that, eh? Beautiful. Yeah man. It's what we call liver. Yeah man, imported liver all cooked down. Yeah peeps, that's how we do it, you know? So, I'm going to be having this with some roast breadfruit. So I'll be looking about this guy. So, check it out when I'm doing the plating. And I possibly do it with some green bananas and possible some dumplings. So let's see how it goes. Alright peeps? Yeah man, that's how we do it. Yeah peeps. See it there? It's a finished product. Yeah man. Local cow liver. As I said, I was going to do some banana, green banana, but I didn't bother. So I just go with the roast breadfruit and some avocado pear. So that's it, people. Look at that. Yeah man, Sunday breakfast. So once again, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for all videos, would I really appreciate it. And once again, thank you for watching. Wise Choice channel. This is Mr. Wise Choice himself. Have a blessed day.